Dear children, more than a month has passed since a lockdown was imposed and the school was to be closed because of the spread of COVID 19. But during this period, I have tried to keep in contact with you through videos. So far, I have released 3 or 5 videos to you, and I hope that you will have watched them all. And what I wanted to give you the message, the lessons through all those videos, I hope that all of you are following them or pursuing them in your life. Today, I am sharing a very motivational story with you. It so happened that clouds, Badal, once clouds went on a strike and decided not to rain for next 10 years. When farmers came to know about it, they packed their agricultural tools and implements and put them in store. But one of the farmers was still using his plow to cultivate his land. Some clouds passing below over the head of the farmers saw him cultivating his land. So the clouds asked him why he was cultivating the land when he knew that there would be no rains for the next 10 years. Then the farmer replied politely and said that he was not worried that it would not be rain for 10 years. He feared that if he would not work and use his implements and agricultural tools for all this time, he would forget the work of and practice of agriculture. So he wanted to continue his work in spite of the fact that there would be no rain. He wanted to keep his efforts and never go on. He replied it politely. When the clouds heard the farmers saying it, they were ashamed. They were also nervous, and they also began to think seriously that they might also forget how to reign within this 10 years. And the moment they realized it, they started raining. बारिश शुरू हो गई. And then the farmers cultivated the land and put the seeds in them. And the remaining farmers who had not done this, now they were repenting, they were regretting that why they would not have done so. And in this way, the farmer got the reward of his honest and hard work. The remaining farmers now they were very regretful and sorry that they had not done so. So, through this story, I just want to say you that those people are successful who never give up working hard and honestly, even in the against all odds and challenges in life. As you know that nowadays we are passing through an adverse circumstances. We are not getting the things that we need easily. But all these things should not be made excuses. Many parents have informed me that their children are not studying. When the parents ask them, they make excuse that they do not have books, they do not have copies, schools are not open, so what they should study. But these are all excuses. These are only pretexts that you are making. You children, by doing so, you are not befooling your parents, but you are befooling yourself. You are cheating yourself. Because if you do not study, do not work, then you will also forget how to work, how to write, how to study after some time. So you should try to use maximum of from the limited resources what you have. You Many of you have old copies, waste copies that you have put in one corner of your house rooms. Now you go collect all those copies and take out all unused and plain papers from them and then make a copy out of it. You know, never should insist on your parents to buy books, copies that are not available nearby you. You should not do so. This is also that you should also know the fact that your studies and your reading should go very well. Don't make such pretext and ignore your studies. Otherwise, you may also forget how to read and write. This is the time when you can learn the habit of utilizing maximum from your limited resources. And for that purpose, I have told you that you should start using all those copies that you have kept waste in the corner of your houses. Likewise, you should also know that you have also many old books, junior classes books, maths books, social science book. This is the time when you should read all those books thoroughly. You should make questions from them. You should also prepare general awareness questions from all those books. It is also that I want to say that some students are also not attending the online classes. I have observed that many students are not doing so. It is not good because online classes are going very well and it is proving to be very advantageous and beneficial for the students. I have got the feedback from the students saying that they are learning much more than even the classes. Even from the classes, they have not gained so much. Because for all these online classes, our teachers are working very hard. They are first making notes, they send them to you through WhatsApp. Then they are also taking, explaining those topics online to you. And again, they are also sending the live, sending the video of the teaching to you. So at the same time, you are getting the benefit of all those things that are going to be very advantageous and beneficial for you. So I hope that you should get inspiration from this motivational story that I have shared to you. And you should also remember the one thing that I am going to say you at last. जो पानी से नहाते हैं, जो पानी से नहाते हैं वो कपड़े बदल सकते हैं, जो पानी से नहाते हैं वो कपड़े बदल सकते हैं, पर जो पसीने से नहाते हैं वो इतिहास बदल सकते हैं. तो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप and I believe that you have the capacity, you have the power to make history. Each one of you has some talents, some qualities in you. Just try to discover and find out those qualities. Cherish them, focus on them, and just try to make history in your own ways. Thank you. Have a nice day.